My brother and I have wanted to see what the inside of this transmission looks like. And we have all the bolts out for this thing. There's 2 up front, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bolts in this thing. I want to see what these gears look like in here. You know, we know the oil pressure is good even at an idle, which is really good. I'm really surprised at that. So we're just giving her a few taps with the hammer. So I just got the shifter out, and we have 3 shifter forks. And here's what the inside of the transmission looks like. So the fluid is definitely pretty darn milky, and I am seeing now we are definitely going to have to change this fluid out. So that, I wonder if this is separate from the rear end.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Then where do you fill the rear end at? But I'll tell you, all those gears look pretty darn good. I am pretty happy right now. So that's what the inside of the D17's transmission looks like. Sweet. And here's all the shifting forks. So now I have to get that all lined back up again.